Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on Always on Display and Lock Screen. As you can see in the lock screen settings, we've got the sleep option, so let's enter. And here we've got some other options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got the 1 minute option applied. It is highlighted in this bluish color and also ticked. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.